And then the Hispanic dude was like this tall, probably about 30. Hispanic.
So he's not your sidekick.
Seriously, because he's standing back here like this.
They
The
were
black
both
dude's
his
up.
height. One of them was skinny, one of them was fat.
Yeah, the Mexicans were. The black dude's over here trying to fight everybody like up and like, and then the Mexican dude's standing over here like this. Bro, it was like.
All my other things, I've never seen somebody that tall, like standing back like this, and they had
Yes, that's why we were so. That's why we were proud, man. Union. 5 minutes later, two dudes that are on drugs that are trying to fight people just ran out on the left. You're right. I agree with you. They don't know.
And they can't find it. And they could be on the other side. Like, swap. For all I know, could be.
Or they're clearing it and they don't know